Hi, Mitch Klein here, the Executive Director of the Z-Wave Alliance. And we're here at CEDIA 2015 at the Z-Wave Alliance Pavilion. And I'm at the FortrezZ booth and looking at some really cool products that are in fact going to be very valuable to most of our members, as well as most homeowners. So I'm very impressed with this piece, this water control valve. This is actually something that's going to help protect your home from any type of flooding, because what it will do is, whether we've got remote sensors, this device will actually be able to sense water problems in the house and actually turn off the valve. It can be for a ½ inch all the way up to 1.5 inch size pipes, whether we want to do hot or cold water. It gives notifications so that should there become a problem, the valve will shut off and send the notification out to the homeowner to let them know that we've got to get back to the house and see where the problem is. It comes with a built-in wired water sensor. This water sensor can be extended out so it can go out to the hot water heater or to any other furnace or any other place that water might be a problem. We can tie into this with any of these series of wireless water sensors. These water sensors, simply put, can be placed on the ground, can be placed under the sink in your kitchen, it can go behind a toilet, any place where there might be a water problem. Say you've got an old washing machine and one of the pipes breaks. This simply can be placed on the ground. Once there's a short in the wiring below from the water, we can get an audio alarm, an LED alarm, and we can also send out a wireless notification both to the device to turn the water off and also to the homeowner to let them know that there's been a problem in the house. Very cool stuff, and I can't imagine any homeowner that wouldn't want this in their house. It's very important. In addition to all the other gear we've got a flow metering device. This flow metering device is designed to actually detect less than a gallon flow. Matter of fact, I'm told at 1/10 of a gallon, and be able to tell you what type of water flow we've got. It's actually tallying up the water and will send that type of data back to your application to let you know whether we're using too much water. There's all kinds of applications that are being in development, but the immediate benefit, I'm told, is when we talk about multiple dwelling units where there may be one single water valve water flow being tested or tracked, that we can actually deploy these into each of the units within the home, within the multi-dwelling unit. So I'm actually kind of excited about this piece. It looks like a very strong product. Hey, it's Mitch again. Still here at the FortrezZ, and I'll tell you the reason is I'm looking at how I can take any of my devices and now make them Z-Wave compatible. This will actually detect what's going on with this particular float valve or any type of relay detection and send a Z-Wave signal out to your Z-Wave system, which can either report back to you, it can trigger a relay, it can trigger any device and either turn the water off if you've got a flow valve meter or create any other type of Z-Wave event. We've got two different models depending on the type of systems that you've got, and I'm pretty excited about these because I'm going to have to put them in my house. Continuing to look at some of this exciting stuff, and you know, I could use a couple of these alarms in my house as well. So FortrezZ has got 3 different type of alarm enunciators that you can tie into your system. Also Z-Wave, so we don't have to worry about communication protocols because it's all standard stuff. We've got 2 different versions for indoors right here. These are going to give you audible siren as well as light siren. We've got 2 different types, one with a red lens, one with a clear lens. You can adjust the settings between the two, whether we want either sound and light or sound. And we have an outdoor version, which we can stick underneath the eaves in the house and get enunciation outside of the home. So make sure we take a look at the FortrezZ products. So you can see these are all important devices that can be added to making your home more comfortable and certainly more secure.